You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.
So now let's start with lab number 58. In lab number 58, we'll be creating disclaimer transport rules. So for that, on Exchange Server 01, I'll first navigate to my Google Chrome. And on my Google Chrome, I'll navigate to https netaex801.neta.local/ecp/ and I'll log in as the administrator. Now, once I log in, I'll click on the mail flow option here. And under rules, I'll click on the new icon here and click on create a new rule. Now this rule name would be NETA or NetSoft Academy. Let's say NetSoft Academy disclaimer. Remember, everything is part of the NetSoft IT Academy. So by that, it isn't going to make that big of a difference if I say NETA or NetSoft Academy. It's the same thing. So under this, apply this rule if the sender, the sender is located inside the organization and do the following. So under do the following, I'm going to append the disclaimer. I'm going to enter the text here. Now my text is going to be, let's say, NetSoft Academy disclaimer. This is the NetSoft Academy disclaimer. Click on OK. And under the actions, I'm going to select wrap. OK. And under choose mode for this, I'll make sure that enforce is checked and click on save. Now you can see that there is a space there at the top of the name. This happens a lot with me. Don't worry. I'm very prone to making typos. So that I make typos so that you realize what kind of errors you can get into. All right, just let's be clear about it. All right, so once this is done, I'll navigate to an incognito window. So Control-Shift-N, and I'll log in. I'll try go to the OWA. Now on OWA, I'll log in as Ben Affleck. Now remember, we set the policy earlier, so we only need to enter the username. I can use the same password. It's the same password for everyone. Click on sign in. I'll have to select my time zone and everything again, US and Canada. Click on save. And you can see that there is an email here that was sent to this user. Now, we want to make sure that we send a new email to the administrator. And I want to say, let's say, disclaimer test. This is a test message. Now, when I click on send, I would see the email here in my drafts first. And then I want to see it leave before I sign out of this user altogether. Now I'm going to sign out of this user. Now instead of Ben Affleck, I'm going to log in as the administrator. You can see that I can log in just like this as well. It doesn't work. Or it doesn't stop. It doesn't stop me from doing anything like that. I click on Ben Affleck and you can see that there is another disclaimer at the bottom. That is the NetSoft Academy disclaimer. Or this is the NetSoft Academy disclaimer because there is already a disclaimer policy in place there. So we just quickly verified that the disclaimer is working and the rules are working. And that is the end of this lab here. I'll see you in the next lab. Stay tuned.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.